Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring the story and secrets behind one of the most enigmatic drones ever developed, the RQ-170 Sentinel, also nicknamed the Beast of Kandahar. This mysterious unmanned aerial vehicle came into public awareness after being spotted at Kandahar airfield in Afghanistan in 2007. Developed by Lockheed Martin's Skunk works, the same division responsible for the State Route 71 Blackbird and F-117 Nighthawk, the RQ-170 was designed to fulfill a need for high-altitude, stealthy reconnaissance missions in denied airspace. What makes this drone so fascinating is the mix of secrecy, advanced engineering, and its involvement in one of the most important intelligence operations in modern history, the raid that led to the death of Osama bin Laden. From the outside, the RQ-170 looks like something from a science fiction movie. Its sleek, tailless, flying wing design is optimized for stealth, allowing it to operate in environments where traditional aircraft would be easily detected and shot down. The drone's airframe is believed to be made of radar-absorbing materials, and its surfaces are smooth and carefully contoured to reduce radar signature. It lacks vertical stabilizers, which further enhances its stealth profile by avoiding radar reflection from right angles. The design is similar in philosophy to the B-2 Spirit bomber, but scaled down for unmanned operation. Its wingspan is estimated to be about 65 feet, and its body is flat and wide, giving it a low radar cross-section. The drone is powered by a single jet engine whose intake and exhaust are shrouded to minimize infrared and radar signatures. Everything about its shape and structure points to one goal: to avoid being seen, heard, or tracked while gathering critical intelligence in some of the most dangerous places on Earth. Inside, although exact specifications remain classified, it's widely believed that the RQ-170 houses a highly advanced suite of surveillance technology. This includes electro-optical and infrared cameras for real-time imaging, synthetic aperture radar for ground mapping, and signal intelligence equipment to intercept enemy communications. These tools give the drone the ability to observe targets from high altitude without detection, day or night, and in all weather conditions. The drone is unarmed, focusing purely on information gathering rather than combat. It is remotely piloted via secure satellite links, allowing operators located thousands of miles away to control its flight path and monitor its data feeds. Though it's technically a drone, it represents a fusion of cutting-edge aerospace design and intelligence capabilities that rival even manned aircraft. The RQ-170's performance profile is not officially published, but analysts estimate that it can fly at altitudes over 50,000 feet, far above the range of most surface-to-air missile systems. Its endurance is believed to be anywhere from 6 to 12 hours depending on mission load and weather conditions. The drone is subsonic, likely cruising at speeds of 500 to 600 miles per hour. Its stealth allows it to fly directly over hostile territory, collect detailed intelligence, and return without being noticed. Unlike satellite reconnaissance, which is predictable and limited by orbital paths, the RQ-170 can loiter over a specific area, track moving targets, and provide continuous updates. This makes it invaluable for monitoring activities like nuclear development, military movements, or terrorist hideouts. It fills a critical gap in U.S. surveillance strategy, especially in regions where ground intelligence is weak or dangerous to obtain. In terms of safety features, the RQ-170's first line of defense is stealth. Its radar-evading design reduces the likelihood of detection, allowing it to operate in areas where other aircraft would be vulnerable. It's also believed to feature redundant communication links, GPS guidance, and fail-safe return protocols in case of lost signal or jamming. The drone may include autonomous flight systems that allow it to navigate back to a safe area or base even without real-time human control. Because it carries no weapons and is unmanned, even if it were detected and shot down, it poses minimal risk to human life. This strategic advantage allows it to be used in high-risk missions that would be too dangerous for piloted aircraft. One of the RQ-170's most compelling features is its operational history. The most famous mission involving the RQ-170 was its reported role in the U.S. intelligence operation leading up to the raid on Osama bin Laden's compound in Abbottabad, Pakistan in 2011. The drone was used to conduct surveillance on the compound without alerting Pakistani forces or the target. It provided live video feeds and imagery that helped confirm the presence of a high-value individual inside. Without that intelligence, the Navy SEAL raid that killed bin Laden may never have been launched or could have resulted in mission failure. This operation demonstrated not only the effectiveness of the RQ-170 but also its importance in modern warfare, where real-time intelligence can determine the success or failure of an entire campaign. However, the drone's stealth wasn't flawless. In December 2011, an RQ-170 was reportedly captured by Iranian forces after it lost contact and was brought down near the city of Kashmir. The US claimed it malfunctioned and crashed, while Iran claimed it had taken control of the aircraft via electronic warfare. Whatever the truth, the incident raised serious concerns about drone security and technology falling into enemy hands. Photos of the captured drone were widely circulated, and experts speculated that foreign powers might study its design and replicate aspects of its stealth capabilities. Despite this setback, the RQ-170 program continued, and it remains one of the most advanced reconnaissance platforms in the world. Pricing for the RQ-170 Sentinel remains speculative due to the secretive nature of its development and operation. Estimates vary widely, but the cost per unit is believed to be between $100 million and $200 million, depending on configuration and mission-specific systems. This places it among the most expensive drones in service, but given its capabilities, stealth features, and strategic value, the cost is seen as justified. These drones are not mass-produced like the MQ-9 Reaper. They are tailored for high-stakes, high-security missions where failure is not an option. The RQ-170 Sentinel stands as a symbol of how far unmanned aerial systems have come. It reflects the transition of warfare from brute force to intelligence-driven precision. Instead of sending in squadrons of jets, modern military operations increasingly rely on silent watchers like the Sentinel, which can observe without being seen, deliver data in real time, and operate in environments that would be impossible for humans. As conflicts become more asymmetric and intelligence becomes more valuable than firepower, drones like the RQ-170 will only grow in importance. Whether flying over the deserts of Afghanistan or the mountains of Pakistan, the RQ-170 reminds us that the future of warfare is often shaped by machines we never even see.